Yes, guys, it's about Peter, yes. And what you're going to know as me I tell you, say, I got to do a prank from wifey. But the problem is I don't make sure something. Guys, you go on. But I have two bright bulb in a place, and I tell you, say, the bulb, them blow, so I have to get two other bulb, and them not that bright. So, guys, I want do a thing before, you know, I want mash up a little, set up a little prank, and cough up blood. See my blood, guys? Look on it. You see, guys? My blood this. Hey. Someone do a little coughing, you know? Blood and trust me, guys. I go so go on. As me I say, which part me go dodgy camera, guys. I go show you guys. Which part me go set the camera on the wall. So I don't know if I now get the full 100. Alright. Guys, watch you go on. Right, I'm keep here so. Right, so I go set the camera. Right, so. How me go do it? You can't know. Because I have to go cover it. So you see through the fire from the light. If you can't see, you notice it how me dark. So the graphic height maybe no 100 guys. But trust me. Just tell me what you think about that one a prank here. You understand, guys? I'm going to try. Come here to say, what do you want prank her up? I'm here to say, yo, you know? I'm here to say, alright, me get that. Because she did pop one prank on me one time with blood and say nail juke her in her foot. You understand? I think last year, and I said, yes, I want to pop back one on her with the same blood here. But I have to say, this man, not this year, right? This man, I go so son. He come to me, so I say, I do it in the evening. You understand? Because right, in the morning, it's a little bit stiff. So I do it, so I say, I go do it in the evening, guys. So, stay tuned. We're back a long talking, so stay tuned and tell me what you think about it, guys. Alright? Yes. Rima, come here.
Peter there. Peter? D. Peter? What are you? Yeah, go. Eh? What are you? What are you? Jesus Christ. What are you eating? Lottie! Lottie! Come here quick. Peter! Move. Peter? Peter, wanna call Chris? Come here quick, call Chris. Peter. Peter. Lottie. Peter. Peter. Lottie. Lottie. Oh, I'm a vomit blood.
Some water.
Peter, what do you?
The water. The water there.
What? Jesus. Peter, that's enough blood. What you had done, man?
You just get broken. Guys. Wash him up, guys.
Do that, man.
Yeah, guys, wash him up, guys.
That's enough blood.
Guys, what the?
Watch out.
I'm getting water, guys.
Man,
Yo.
what's that?
Guys,
Jesus.
look on wifey, guys. Mad. The guys. Mad and mean, guys. What there? Wifey crying.
No, from me here, Peter
Big
can't be
bad.
sad.
Guys, me I tell you, say,
Fall off that seriously.
blood, guys.
I'm
For 2
well,
weeks
you know.
now, me I plan this, you know. Watch it, guys. Wifey crying. Oh, sorry, wifey. Sorry, baby. Yo, guys, myself from last week, me I plan this, guys. Yo. Watch tongue. That's blood, guy. That's blood.
Peter, you can't do this. Something that me
Yes,
come
sir.
in and you hear me say my head hurt me and you have to
Guys.
come.
Sorry, man. Sorry, guys. 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 Remember to like, share, and comments. Tell a friend for tell a friend. It's about Peter. I'm back. Another prank. Epic. Yeah, man, it's about Peter. So here we go on, guys. Trust me. No, me shouldn't do that one still now, but guys, but trust me, I have to do that one at phone, don't it? It's short, the most spicy. So peace. It's about Peter. I'm out.